So last video was my transmission repair video, and that went ahead and was all fine. The transmission is working perfectly fine right now. AC, if we look underneath, it's completely dry underneath, which is perfect, which means my silicone repair that I did, in case you guys didn't watch the last video, go ahead and check that out, because that was a total pain in the ass. That whole video, I recorded about 4 hours worth of content. Everything just kind of sucked for it. I was sore for like 3 days after doing that job. So I recorded that video a couple weeks ago. I haven't had any issues with transmission since. Right now, I was going to do a separate video for like the door lock actuator or something. I was going to post an actual repair video, but I currently have a lot going on this following month. So my whole channel, if you guys are new here, the whole channel is basically what it's like to be a car guy and what it's also like to own this thing. There was like 40 parking spots, and you couldn't pick the one like furthest away from me. You had to like park right next to me. Anyways, back to the whole premise of the channel. It's basically me in my car and showing my experiences with fixing the car and doing up what I can do with the car. So if you guys like car content and stuff like that, then definitely subscribe, because I got a lot more coming and a lot more planned. I have literally like 4 or 5 videos in the works. I'm getting ready to leave now in like 10 minutes to record a full car meet video. My issue is right now I have so much going on outside of this, where I have to like move and everything. Like, it's a whole big fucking ordeal, and I don't really want to get into too many details because I don't know if I'm really allowed to, because it's not my house. So I'm not really going to talk about that, but I had to move, to say the least. I didn't really get kicked out, but that's all I'm saying. I got somewhere to stay, it's fine. I got a bunch of shit in back, like all my sweaters, like the trunk is filled right now. So the car is being used as a utility vehicle. So this is just gonna be a little update video. I got a lot more coming, don't worry about that. It's just, right now, I need to kind of focus on other things, and I need a bit more time to edit some videos I'm working on. So this is gonna be an update. I'm literally gonna record like 4 videos this weekend. So I got a lot of content coming. It's just, I don't really have time to edit them right now. I will be posting something very, very soon, so don't worry about it. We got more content coming. Other than that, couple updates. The transmission seems like it's working fine. I haven't really checked the oils or anything like that. I will be checking those very, very soon. I probably should be checking those, but I haven't had any issues. My windshield did crack, so I'm kind of pissed off about that. I think I mentioned that in a previous video, but that's whatever. I don't know what I'll do about that yet. The amplifier, I found one for sale, or well, 2 for sale on eBay, and I found one that it might work and it's cheap, but I'm a little nervous to order it, so that will be into the amplifier video that I'm working on recording. So I'm still working on it. The car still doesn't have audio, which is really annoying. I got the JBL speaker in the back, but I'm getting somewhere with it. All right, that will be a full breakdown video and what I did and the whole process of it. So don't worry, more content's coming. Apologize for the just kind of rambling video, but this is what the channel's about. So if you want to see more update type shit, or repairs, or just me doing stupid stuff in general, or car guy stuff, this is where you find it. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you're new, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Peace.